Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to upload a profile avatar on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile avatar on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you have created your account and you haven't uploaded any profile picture or maybe profile avatar, so you just want to upload a new one. Or maybe you went to like something but it asks you first to upload a profile avatar and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe you have seen any series or show and you really liked one of its characters and you want their picture as your profile avatar and you don't know how to upload it. So don't worry, whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can upload a profile avatar on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed a Crunchyroll app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At first, you will see the icon of the app at the top and few options as well, and some of the options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, there you will see different kind of shows and series that you could watch and enjoy. So other than that, if you look at bottom, we have five options. So you have to click onto this right option. Once you get here, you will see the title of my account and there you will see different options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, if you look here, this is your profile icon. It also has a pencil icon with it, so if you tap onto that, you will be able to change it. There you will see we have a lot of different kind of avatars. First, we have the icons for the app in different colors and variation and other stuff that you could choose. And if you go down there, you will see different characters from different shows and series that are very much popular or maybe loved by a lot of people. So they put their pictures as profile avatars so that if you like any one of these shows, you can choose any character from it and it will be uploaded as your profile avatar. So here I'm going with this one. So for that, just simply tap onto that picture that you want to upload as your avatar. Once you tap on it, it will appear here. After that, you have to click on this save option. Now if we get back there, you will see that a profile avatar has been uploaded that we selected and it is also showing at the bottom. So now we will go to home. Once we get back there, you can see the profile avatar has been also uploaded at the bottom. That means whatever avatar we selected has been uploaded. So likewise, you can choose any avatar of your choice from the list and it will be appear as your profile icon or profile picture. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the profile avatar on Crunchyrolls. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.